Vijay Sir, your chemistry teacher. Today I have made a video for the student of class 9th under the heading is matter around us pure, and it is the second chapter of your class. In the previous video I have completed by providing a series of 11 videos for the first chapter of your class. Today I have started in this video your second chapter is matter around us pure. You know, when we go to the market, we notice the word pure written on the packets of many items such as milk, butter, fruit juice, etc. For a common people, for a common person, pure means that there is no adulteration. I think you understand better adulteration. Adulteration means unwanted impurities mixed with the substance. For common people, common person, pure means there is no adulteration in these things, and therefore these are pure. But according to scientists, these may not be pure, which things a common people understand and consider pure. These things may or may not be pure according to the scientists. According to scientists, a pure substance means that it is a single substance. Single substance means the substance which is consists of a single kind of particles. A pure substance represents a single substance. Clear? Now, we have read in the previous chapter matter, which occupies space and has mass. Anything which occupies space and has mass are called matter. Now, here all the matter around us we can divide into two parts: pure substance and mixture. The better we should classify matter on the basis of the constituents, kind of constituents present in the matter. The matter is classified into two parts: pure substance, and second part is impure substance or mixture. Impure substance mixture. Pure substance means what? Pure substance means only one substance. Pure substance represents single substance. Only one substance, it means only one substance. It means no impurities. And mixture means more than one substances. More than one substances. More than one substances if are there together, it is called mixture. And pure substance is further classified into two parts. Pure substance is classified on the basis of their composition into two parts, elements and compounds. Elements, compounds. Elements means, element means which cannot be broken or divided into simpler substance. Cannot be divided into more simpler substance. More simpler substances. Right? Here we are introducing the types. Just we are classifying matter. All these term, element, compound, we shall discuss one by one in detail. Right? Now, if element is the substance which cannot be divided further, then what is compound? The compounds is made from different elements, combined chemically bonded together. The made from elements. Compounds are made from different elements, chemically linked together or combined together or bonded together. Right? Pure substance is of two types, elements and compounds. Now, mixture, which is impure substance, is further classified into two parts. Is these two parts, the name of the two kinds of mixture is both very popular. You have read in the previous classes also. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homo means uniform, same, and hetero means different, non-uniform. The homogeneous mixture, which is also called solution. Impure substance is classified, means mixture is classified into two parts. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures are also called solution. We define solution as all homogeneous mixtures are called solutions. And then what heterogeneous mixtures are called? We shall discuss in this chapter about solution and the related terms which creates confusion to understand solution, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So solution, suspension. Solution is a mixture. Suspension is also mixture. Colloids are also mixture. But suspension and colloids are heterogeneous mixture. Here we shall write suspension, colloids. These are heterogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixture, completely mixed. Mixture exists in one state or one phase. Homogeneous mixture means completely mixed. Completely means uniformly mixed. And this mixture exists in one state or phase. Exists in one state means one physical state, or it is also called phase, one phase. Whereas heterogeneous mixture, which are suspensions and colloids, the substances separate one state or one phase. Substances separate one state or one phase, spread throughout the other. Means one phase is spread throughout the other state. Means different states are there where one state is spread throughout other state. The substances separate. Substances separate one state or one phase spread throughout the other. Right? This is all about the classification of matter. Now we shall discuss all these parts in detail in the next video. Okay? Thank you.